When you live in Huntsville and it hits 70 degrees within a few hours in February.
Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall. Lows in the mid-30s. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour.